How to create a Facebook business page. Today I'm creating a Facebook business page. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. So the very first step is to log into your personal Facebook account. You will need a personal Facebook profile to set up your business page. So if you do not have one yet, you can quickly create it on Facebook's website. And once you're logged in, you're going to navigate to the pages section. So to do that, you're going to click on the See More section over here and scroll down just a tiny bit, and there we have it. You're going to click on Pages section right over here. Now click on Create a New Page, and here you'll enter your business's name, assign a category that best fits your business, and add a brief description. So for this example, I am going to be naming my company Create & Co. So that's what I will be naming my page. As I imagine Create & Co. to be a social media agency, I'm going to be selecting the category as that. For the bio section, even though it is optional, I suggest you take your time to craft a compelling one that highlights what your business offers. As this description is searchable on Google, this is super crucial. So for me, I quickly asked ChatGPT to write me a bio that I can use for this example. And you can also do the same for some inspiration if you want. So I'm just going to copy and paste it over to the bio box, just like that. And you can also see how your information looks like on the right over here. And once you're happy with the look and feel of this, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Create Page. So in this section, we're going to be filling out the business's contact information, such as the phone number, the website, the address. And this will make it easier for customers to find and connect with us. So I'll quickly fill in this information and then I'll be right with you. Okay, now that I've added some more details to help customers connect with me, I am going to be clicking on Next. So here we're going to be adding a profile picture as well as a cover photo. Your profile picture will be one of the first things that people see. So we're going to be trying to use a logo or an image that people can easily associate it with our brand. And for the cover photo, we're going to be using Canva to create a professional looking one that represents our brand. So let's quickly navigate to Canva. Okay, so the very first step is to log into your Canva account. If you don't have one already, all it takes is literally your email address, and that's all about it. And as you can see, I'm now on the Canva homepage, and I'm going to search for business Facebook cover in the search bar over here. So now I'm going to pick a free template that fits my business style. As you can see, Canva offers a variety of templates for Facebook cover photos, and all of these are fully customizable. So if you see this pro icon over here in one of the templates that you like, it means that it requires a pro subscription in order for you to use it. But do not worry about it because literally majority of these templates are completely free. So take your time and find a one that suits your business model, and we'll then gonna start to edit it out. So for instance, I like this one over here. I'm gonna be clicking on that one, and now I have a more wider view of what this template is about. Mine is, as you know, a social media agency, but as I'll be able to edit all these information out as well as change the pictures, I am going to be customizing this template over here. For that, I am going to click on Customize. So this brings us to the Canva editor page. So I'm not going to be going into super details in terms of how you can customize and edit this template, but to give you an idea, you have a bunch of things in Canva that you can do. You can edit the entire information along with the pictures over here. You can change the background color. You can add more elements, kind of like frames, logos, graphics, photos. You can add text. You can upload your own files from your own computer, and you can customize it in any way that you want. So I will quickly create a super simple cover photo for my Facebook page, and I'll see you in a bit. So once you're satisfied with your design, you're gonna click on share. Then you're gonna go to download. You're gonna select PNG as the file type, and you're gonna click on download. If you do not already have a logo in place, you can also use Canva to create a logo. So to give you an idea, when you click on file, say create a new design, and if you type in logo, you are going to be able to create a logo from scratch or use one of the available templates, just like we did for the banner. So as usual, you will have templates that you can fully customize. So to give you an example, if you want to have this as your logo, you can fully customize this. Same applies for any type of templates over here as well. Majority are again free, so you can also use Canva for this purpose as well. Okay, so now that I'm happy with my design and that I downloaded the cover photo from my Canva to my computer, I am returning to my Facebook business page. And here I'm first going to upload my profile picture. So in this case, I will just upload my logo. So I'm clicking on that, and here I am selecting my logo. Now I'll click on add cover photo, and I will upload the image that I just created in Canva. Now let's add a call to action button. So to do that, you're just gonna click on add action button, try it, and this CTA will basically encourage visitors to take actions like contacting you, visiting your website, sending you a message, or booking a service with you. So choose the option that best fits your business's goals. What I'm gonna do is I am basically gonna select this on send email instead of message, and I'm gonna be clicking on next. Even though this is optional, if you have, for example, a web store, or if you want to provide easier access and communication for your customers to connect to you, you can also connect your WhatsApp to your Facebook page as well. But for now, I am going to be skipping this section. Now in this section, you can basically build your page audience, meaning you can invite your existing friends in your personal profile to here as well. As this is just an account that I created for this tutorial video, I don't have any friends, but you'll be able to see them if you had even one. So you can also do this over here. Once that's done, you're gonna click on next. Make sure that your notifications are on, and once everything is nicely done and settled, you're gonna click on done. And there you have it. We have our Facebook business page ready. At any time, you can manage and edit it over here. So you can change any information that you included at the first place. You can change the profile picture, the cover photo, and any other settings that you wish to change at a later point. To switch from your business account to your personal account, you have to go to this account section on the top right bar of your screen, and here you're gonna be able to see your personal account. So all you have to do is just to say switch to your personal account, just like that.